So they got the Lyndt Chocolate store right here, Lyndt. There was a big line here before. Or maybe we can take a peek in here. Oh, they got some chocolate. Okay.
How much would that weigh? The 3 pieces around like 90 ounces.
So yeah, it's very cool in there. Ooh, very cool in here today. The AC. Look at all the chocolate. A lot of chocolate in here. Wow, it feels so cool in here. It's very muggy outside today, so getting a little AC feels good today. All right, let's go. All right. All right, Whole Fish Street right here. Let's do a time check, 6:20 p.m. And wow, it is super, super warm. It says 82 degrees, but it definitely feels warmer than that right now. So we're definitely not in the comfortable, it's warm, but it's not like the comfortable warm, like when the humidity is low. So there's very, very warm humidity right now. So yeah, strolling around here today. Let's keep strolling around, walking around Princeton. Yeah, they got some live music over here, so there's probably some kind of band going on. There's some restaurants and things like that down here, so most likely it's inside of one of those restaurants.
Yeah, every time we come near here, there's another incident.
They got the Play-Doh bowls over here. Okay, we got it, let's go. Nice vibes here today. Okay, yeah, there's an acoustic guitar going on over there. Pretty good to hear. I used to jam some acoustic guitar back in the day. Electric, of course, also. Alrighty, so let's go across the street maybe. So yeah, as you see, there's a good amount of people here. There's a lot of people on the sidewalk on this side. So I think we're gonna stroll over this side for now. They got the ramen shop right here. Pibry Ramen.
Yeah, that's correct. Like I would never think about that.
So are you on light now?
We got a lot of restaurants down here.
What happening? You want to sit at the table, Marina?
Let's head across the street here. As you see, there's quite a bit of people here right now. The Jersey Shore is empty. Everybody's here. I don't know. Yeah, I was pretty surprised when I came here how busy it was. So, it's getting a little later in the afternoon. Let's do another time check. 6:25. So we got here a couple hours ago. So I think if you get here early, a few hours ago maybe, I don't know, it's like 4-ish, 4 o'clock-ish. So this might be a happening spot in the summertime in the afternoon. Even now, it's still really awesome. Good vibes. Good vibes in Princeton.
Okay, I will walk you through that.
Yeah, they have a run group here, which is pretty cool. At Fleet Feet. We've seen the big crowd here, the runners.
Look at the bookstore.
Yeah, too bad it's closed.
No, it's smashed it.
Puppies.
He thought I was going to throw up.
Wait. 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 Wait.
I was kind of curious.